It's a multi-level marketing system. Now, we're using the same system worldwide. Right now, we are in 9 countries, and the latest is the Philippines. As a company, as a multi-level company, we are using one system. So meaning, everyone in any country will accessing it, sabay-sabay po yun. As an example, when Paul, our operations head, inputted the number of registered our first ID here in the Philippines using Sandra Montano, the number is 301 016. Then another, he just parang nagpimpla lang ng kape, nag-ano lang, pagbalik niya 49 sumingit. Meaning, we are accessing simultaneously. And in that case, no way na i-manipulate ng any country yung system. Meaning, like, very important here as an IPO, you should be very, very particular with 2 things about sponsorship. Number 1, hindi na-highlight lang to kanina, in the system, they call it recommender. Yun yung direct, na parang kung ako, kinuha ko si Nicole, in this case kasi si Nicole is direct to Sandra. So, the thing is, so sila, recommender niya. Pero pwedeng, under pa ni Nicole, may direct din si Sandra. Ang mangyayari, pero under ni Nicole, pwedeng ang mangyari dyan, Sandra, going to yung sa second level, recommender niya. Pero actually, ang sponsor, ang tawag nila doon sa ano doon is yung pinaka-placement is the sponsor level ang sinasabi. May impact yun. Especially if you are just an agent pa. Kasi, as an agent, you only have one. So, importante yun na, tandaan natin, when we give the form, it's in the form, meron nakalagay doon na recommender, meaning direct na ikaw ang kumuha sa kanya. Pero since inaalagaan mo yung legs mo or yung teams mo, pwedeng ikaw magsabi kanino mo ilalagay yon. Lalo kung tinatarget mo, aangat ka na. So, ikamada nyo yung program, yung marketing plan natin, the compensation plan. Kanino mo yung ilalagay? So, yun yung sponsor. So, nakita nyo, there are 2 things yun. But, it impacts on your income. Kasi, kung agent ka, you only get commission from your first line, first level. So, yun yung recommender ka. So, yun. But, kung hanggang dun ka lang, kahit marami kang kinuha, hanggang dun lang. As silver, kikita ka up to the second level, which is yun yung indirect bonus kanina. So, that much. What?
Silver can get 1 level. Noting that.
Also 1 level only.
10%.
10%. Okay. So you see, apati ako. For an agent, we only have 1 bonus, which is the quick start bonus. Yun yung nasa unang level mo. Also, hanggang doon lang ang commission mo. So, if you remain to be an agent, ang benefit mo lang, pag purchase mo, may discount ka. And kung habang may kinukuha ka, yun lang sa first level mo. But to be a silver, dalawa. The indirect,
Only direct, but 10%.
10%, plus the repurchase,
10%,
yourself. Kaya ang sinasabi natin dito, we start with gold para makuha mo pati yung isa na nasa monthly bonus, which is the level sharing bonus. Yun yung pag-develop na ng ano natin. But again, there's one thing na highlight. Pag sa sales form, may tinatawag na new sale, may tinatawag na repurchase. It will also impact on your income. Why? Pag sinabi mong new sale, ikaw ang pumili, new sale, meaning ilalagay mo siya na isang leg sa ilalim mo. May ipapangalan ka doon na IPO. Pero since ikaw ang pumili, makukuha mo yung direct. Kung like if you're a gold, that's 10% already. Pero pag repurchase mo siya, yung income mo na, which is anong level mo kung 10% ka gold and up, di ba? So, ganun yun. So, again, it will impact. So, ikakamada nyo yun. Malaking bagay yun. New sale, parang, maganda yun kasi pag new sale, kasi i-develop mo yun. So, kahit pinili mo yun, pwedeng meron kang inilagay na IPO, totoong tao yun. We need napakahigpit natin dito. 1 name policy lang tayo. Even for couple, they have 1 numbers. Like in the case of you, like if you want to join as Richard and Gemma, you'll be counted as one. But your children, kapatid and all, isa-isa yon. But as a couple, one number lang tayo. Kasi ito yung inaalagaan talaga natin yung system. And the business has been here for going 13 years na tayo. And in talagang the system, napakaganda. And it's very fair. Being at the top, syempre advantage yun because you get to get bonuses like from gold, meron ka nung monthly level sharing bonus dun sa monthly. Which is, ang mag-ano nun, until merong mag-spill over, hihiwalay na ka-level mo, dun lang, again, kahit nasa taas ka, kung mas mataas siya nasa ilalim mo, wala kang makukuha kasi mas mataas na siya ng level. So, again, ka-importante yung level, you should understand, bibigyan namin kayo ng kopya for those na magiging registered IDOs talaga. We will discuss mamaya yung mga ibibigay namin including the compensation plan. But you have to study the compensation plan because that's the only way para talaga kumita. As a gold, again, pababa. Right now, ang gold pa lang natin is si Yusek, si Yusek Sandy. So lahat ng buong Philippine sales umaakyat sa kanya kasi wala pang umaangat sa kanya. But I think meron ng papunta. So the thing is, hanggat walang mas mataas sa kanya, the whole of the Philippine sale umakyat. Kaya yun ang importansya ng nasaan kayo sa taas. Kaya ang sabi ko nga, for those who understands network marketing, the position matters because you get to benefit from all those provided makuha nyo rin yung may mga compliances like anong mga requirements, the auto ship or yung repurchase mo. So it's important as a gold, you have to buy at least 4,200 PB in a month. I-monthly mo na yon. Because who knows, baka next month ang laki ng performance ng grupo mo. Eh what if hindi ka bumili? Again, huwag yung ituturo kami because we cannot manipulate the system. When it's in there, we cannot change it. So meaning, kahit ang laki ng performance mo this month, wala kang repurchase nung last month, wala kang makukuha. Huwag nyo kaming ituturo, hindi kayo pwedeng maganda. We cannot, again, it's system. Lahat ng itinuro dito, parang ang hirap ba't sa totohanan, itinuturo lang for us to understand. But in reality, wala tayong problema. It's all set. O, lahat ng computation nandun. Even yung sinasabi na, again, from Diamond, the best ano is the dignity bonus, right? You can just imagine, 2%, ang example lang ito, napakababa, 1 million. Eh, ang dun sa inyong monthly level bonus, ang ipinapakita niya doon, 4.2 million and all, meaning, mas mataas doon kasi isang gold lang, yun ang parang quota. So you can just imagine. So we're speaking here of no less than 10 million in sales on a monthly basis. So in fact, dapat magre-order na kami dapat. Pero I want to see after these meetings, iaano natin yon. So again, as the dignity for the dignity bonus, that's only open for Diamond and up. So sayang, kung walang umaangat, it will stay in the company, in the system. But naiipon yun. Again, hindi namin pwedeng kunin yun, it's in the system, reserved for all the IDOs yun. But kung nakita nyo doon, habang tumataas, especially for Blue Diamond, you're getting 30% of that. What if iisa ka doon? Di sa'yo lahat yun. Yung ipinakita kanina na monthly bonus, that will be shared, there's a percentage, but that will be shared, that's not a 2%, right? Merong quota. Ang sinasabi doon, pag yung highest performance mo is ito, na-hit mo, pero pag na-times to mo, yun yung nagpo-point siya. So kung yung minimum mo is nakuha mo yung isa, that's 1 point. Kung nakuha mo para the highest and the lowest. Pero pag na-double mo yun sa quota mo, syempre times mo yun, 2 points yun. And how many of you are gold and you're sharing 5% of the whole that amount? Then we multiply that, yung kaya nga pinaghati-hatihan. But again, as a diamond, you get all the 7. From quick start, repurchase, indirect bonus, nurture, yun yung lahat. Hanggat walang nag-spill over, you can just imagine, you get 10% of the whole sales. Kaya right now, Yusek San is getting 10% of the whole Philippine sale. Bakit? Wala pang umaangat sa kanya. So you go for that. Now, if you become same level that she is, spill over ka, ikaw may nurture, pero meron pa rin siyang,
40%.
what's the name for that? Level bonus, which is 40% of the nurture bonus of the spillover team or independent team na niya. So you know, if you only focus on this is the business that you need. You don't need much capital. You just have to build your network. Others, they have money, they can just buy, like mag-shortcut, silver, mag-gold, and all. But again, panandalian yon habang bumibili ka. What if you build your network? That's why we are educating you. What's the difference of, like, if you buy, even if it's your money, you can buy it as new sales, ilalagay mo yun sa ilalim, but it really all goes up to you because direct mo siya eh. Aakyat sa iyo yun dahil naging direct mo yun. Kahit nasa ilalim siya, still direct mo pa rin yun. Another grupo na binubuo mo yun. Pag repurchase, edi sa iyo lang, pero that would, like, aangat ang position mo for the percentage. Pero in the long run, it's not really a good business. Why? Ngayon lang malaki, dahil may ka bumili ng malaki. And you will doing it probably retail because you are not limited from selling it at a higher price. You can do that. Because the SRP in the Philippines, you can even, like aesthetics clinics, the 13,018 bios na ampule natin, as a member, you're only getting that for 13,000. But when you do that as part of your facial, the services that you offer as a facial, like you add like signature facial with Rubicell stem cell. Like if you are for your facial is like 1,500. You add another 1,000, so naging 2,500. That one vial minimum is 5 times or 5 packs, 5 people up to 10. So you can just imagine for that vial if you made it like 7 people, you were able to do it out of that vial. You only sold you only bought that from the company for 722 pesos. But you earned 7,000 pesos. You multiply that by 18. So meaning the 13,000 bucks, you bought that one box of 18 vials for 13 pesos only as a member. When you use that, when you have an aesthetic clinic or yung mga spa salon, you're actually earning almost 200,000. Isn't that a big, that alone is a big business. I think Tina is also doing that, like nagmamassage. Tapos, dinadagdagan niya, she charges 1,000.
Yeah, last night.
Yeah, but again, I said, those are just temporary panandalian. You go for, like, I always tell people, don't just go like, you're just owning a sari-sari store. You dream for a department store, you will own a department store out of your business. So that's the magic. This is how good this multi-level marketing is. Ano pa yung importanteng dapat nilang malaman? So again, the minimum that you should aspire here is for a goal. Sayang yung, like Tina, she has a lot of downline. In fact, out of the 50, kaya may awarding tayo eh, meron tayo sa, our first, i-announce ko na rin, we will have our IPO meeting here every first Saturday of the month. We will start on September 7. There will be like ano yung mga promo na introduce natin or i-announce promos, mga awarding, kung may mga new products, may mga bundle na promo na gagawin. But we expect every one of you should have your own group chats, meaning yung mga direct nyo, mini-meeting nyo, nagzo-zoom kayo. And I think our first IPO here, we'll already do some meetings also with you, whether you do it personal or Zoom. Again, at the end of the day, the business is you should focus from yourself. Huwag mong tingnan ng mga nasa taas because the system is very, very fair. For those who will exert more effort, definitely you will get more money from the system. Okay? Again, even if you are higher than, somebody's higher than you are, and you become an emerald first, earlier than your upline, definitely they will not get income out of you because your position is already higher. But they will have the monthly bonus pa rin na the level sharing. Na-discuss naman lahat. Again, ikamata natin yung system. Napakaganda. If when you reach the position of a diamond, you will enjoy 7 bonuses. So lahat yun ililista yun, lahat yun meron ka. So the actually computed minimum that you would have for a diamond is no less than 1 million pesos a month. When we computed that, minimum nagpo 1.5 from a diamond level. If you do that, in fact for an emerald, the minimum is like every 2 weeks kung talagang tatrabahin nyo na sa 560,000. That's the minimum when we computed that. Again, hindi kami malulungkot ni Mara na ibigay yon because that means we are selling much. We will not give those commissions, those rebates to you na hindi nyo naman nabenta. So the higher that we disburse for the income of the IBOs, the happier Aprozone Philippines will be. Okay? And happier for you also because eventually you are getting your profit share and that is 2% of the whole income of the company. So, meron ba akong hindi pa na for the importante? Wala na lahat. So yun hindi na, nakita ko kanina hindi na yun. Be very particular with all the income that you will be receiving based on the position. And when you do that, of course, you will not stay as an agent or a silver. You would go minimum for gold. And to get the income of the whole company, you would go for an emerald or diamond. So yun. Again, tingnan nyo, pag nag-order kayo, kung anong ililista nyo na ilalagay sa system, you cannot change that anymore. Whether it's a new sale or a repurchase sale. Because that will impact on your income, on a monthly income. So again, silver and agent, that's just for discount in using the product. Okay? Thank you so much.
One more thing which head office staff yesterday they cleared it. All the compensations which you will get from the Aprozone Philippines, they will be deducted for the taxes. Tax will be deducted from your commissions. And if you want tax receipt, you can ask the staff from Mara. They will give you your tax receipt and you can claim it after from the government. So if there is a difference between the money you calculated, it is little less. It is only less. It is also like the tax is also automatically deducted from the system. So the system is perfect. It is very good. We just decided we just need to give them the percentage how much is going to be deducted. So if it is that, if you have any kind of question, the system is very fair. We are basically the educational system, not the sales system. So that's why we are already promoting that our business is educational business. We are not in sales business. But anyway, if you have any question at any time, please just ask the staff office or anybody. Thank you very much.
Okay, so yung mga speaker natin,